Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to turn off focus mode on iPhone. If you're using an iPhone, so now you want to turn off focus mode, so let's see how can you do this. If your mode has been enabled, so the logo will be shown up to your screen. You just have to pull down your control panel, and here you can see the focus mode has been turned on. Tap on it, and here you have to unselect which is selected. Now tap on an empty place, and here you can see this is the focus mode. So let's see how can you do this. You just have to tap on this, and here you have to select one of any. You just as I'm going to select do not disturb. So here you can see it will show do not disturb. Now tap on it again and choose which one you want. As I'm going to show sleep. Now tap on empty place. Here you can see it will show sleep. You just have to unselect it, and here you can see it is focus mode of iPhone. So that's how you can use or turn on or off focus mode on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video, and in the next video, bye bye.